Hello and welcome to the Madhouse with you, boy Jessie. It is a real pleasure to have you here today. I am an American man, but for many years now, the beautiful islands of the Philippines have been my home. I spend my days exploring this wonderful country, sharing stories about travel and talking about my faith and daily life. This guide is for anyone who has ever dreamed of sleeping under the stars here. I want to help you plan a fantastic camping trip. You will learn everything you need to know, and I will be your confident teacher along the way, guiding you step by step. So why should you even think about camping in the Philippines? Well, let me tell you, this place is a slice of paradise. Imagine lush, green mountains that touch the clouds and beaches with sand as soft as sugar. The weather is almost always warm, a gentle hug from the tropics. And the food? Oh, the food is a whole other adventure full of flavor and love. The people here are some of the kindest and most welcoming souls you will ever meet. Camping in this country is both fun and very affordable. It is your chance to disconnect from the busy world and reconnect with something real and beautiful, listening to the waves as you fall asleep. Before we dive into the best spots to pitch your tent, I want you to hold one important rule in your heart. We must always respect nature. This land is a gift, and we must treat it with kindness and care. Whatever you bring with you into the wild, you must also bring out. This includes every little wrapper and bottle. Do not break branches from the trees or pick the beautiful wildflowers. Be quiet and peaceful, especially at night, so you do not disturb the animals or other campers. The golden rule of camping is simple. Leave every place a little bit better and a little bit cleaner than how you found it. This shows respect for the land and for the people who call it home. Now, I know you are excited to get started, and I am too. We are going to cover everything from the most stunning places to camp to the exact gear you should pack in your bag. All right, friends, let's talk about the fun part, where to go. The Philippines has over 7,000 islands, so you have a lot of choices. But do not worry, I have picked out 8 amazing spots that are perfect for different types of campers, from beginners to seasoned adventurers. First on our list is Anawangan Cove in Zambales. This place is not too far from Manila, making it great for a weekend getaway. It is famous for its unique beach, which is lined with tall, whispering pine trees instead of the usual palms. The sand is a beautiful shade of volcanic ash, and the water in the cove is usually calm. You will need to take a boat to get there, which adds to the feeling of escape. Next up, also in Zambales, is a place called Nagsasa Cove. If you thought Anawangan was peaceful, Nagsasa is even quieter and more remote. It is a bit farther down the coast, so fewer people make the trip. You will have space to enjoy lush green hills meeting the clear sea, and it is fantastic for stargazing. Just like Anawangan, you will need to hire a boat. If you want that postcard picture, Calaguas Islands in Camarines Norte is your destination. It looks like a dream, powdery white sand and impossibly clear blue water. It is a long journey, bus then boat, but worth every second when you step onto that beach. Camping here is very basic. Be self-sufficient and bring what you need. It is raw, untouched beauty. For mountain lovers, Mount Pulag in Benguet, third highest peak, is famous for its sunrise sea of clouds. The hike is manageable if you are reasonably fit, but nights get very cold. You will need a permit and a registered guide. The rewards are unforgettable. Now that you have some ideas on where to go, let's talk about what to bring. A good trip starts with good preparation. That means packing smart. This first list is for the absolute must-haves. These are items you simply cannot go without. First, a reliable tent with pegs and a solid rainfly. Tropical showers happen. A waterproof tent keeps you and your gear dry. Test it at home before you leave. Next, sleeping gear. Nights can get cool in the mountains and by the coast. Pack a lightweight sleeping bag, a mat or foam pad. Your back will thank you. A good night's sleep powers your days of hiking, swimming, and exploring. Now, light and cooking. Bring a headlamp or a good flashlight plus extra batteries. Hands-free light is crucial for cooking, setting up after dark, and late-night restroom runs. For food, bring a compact stove with the right fuel, or a small grill if it is allowed. Your basic cook kit, a small pot, a spoon, a plate, and a cup. Safety and protection. Always carry a water bottle and have a plan for clean drinking water. Bring enough or bring a filter. Pack a small first aid kit, bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Bring a hat and insect repellent, and consider lightweight long sleeves and pants. Bring a rain jacket or poncho. It doubles as a windbreaker. And always bring trash bags to carry out your garbage. Think of me as your friendly guide, holding a lantern to light the path ahead. We will take it slow. Make sure you understand everything and share a laugh or two. Camping is about joy and making memories. That is exactly what we are preparing for today. Grab a cup of coffee and let's plan your adventure. Okay, we've covered the essentials. Now some items that are not necessary but make your trip way more comfortable. A good chair or a foldable stool beats a lumpy log or hard ground after a long hike or swim. A lightweight hammock for reading or a breezy nap. Instant paradise. Nature is the best soundtrack, but a small speaker with soft island music sets the mood. Keep the volume low to respect others. Bring a camera or your phone. You will thank yourself at sunset. Binoculars are great for birds and distant islands. Make camp feel like home. An extra blanket for beach lounging or night warmth, and a few cozy touches. A collapsible water container saves trips to the tap. Little conveniences make chores easier. Fun extras. A simple fishing kit, a portable coffee press, and a power bank or small solar charger. Small upgrades, big smiles. You have arrived at your beautiful destination with all your gear. Time to build your temporary home. Choose flat, level ground. Avoid low-lying spots or dry riverbeds that can flood in rain. Look up for dead branches or coconuts that could fall. Safety first always. Clear sharp rocks, sticks, and roots. Lay a footprint or tarp to protect your tent floor and block ground moisture. Pitch with the door away from the wind. Stake out and tension guy lines for a stable, quieter shelter. Create zones. Keep your tent separate from your cooking area. Run your stove or grill a few feet away, and seal food promptly to reduce critter visits. If fires are allowed, use existing pits, otherwise clear to bare earth and ring with rocks. At night, lanterns create ambient light for moving, cooking, and socializing without blinding your buddies. Keep camp tidy. Have a trash spot and put food away. A clean camp is a safe and respectful camp. The most important thing in the Philippines is the weather. It can change fast. Rainy season June to November brings typhoons. Always check the forecast. If a storm is predicted, postpone. Carry a rain jacket and a waterproof tent. Charge your phone, bring a power bank, get a local SIM, and know the emergency number, 911. At the beach, watch for rocks or coral and strong currents. Only swim in known safe areas. Respect local culture. The Philippines is warm, friendly, and faith-filled. Learn a few Tagalog basics. Salamat means thank you. Magandang umaga means good morning. Be mindful at sacred sites. Dress modestly near churches or homes. Ask permission on private property. And be a quiet, respectful observer when invited. For me, time in nature is a chance to connect with my faith, seeing God's creation from the smallest flower to the vast starry sky. Camping invites quiet reflection and prayer. Bring a small Bible, a prayer book, or a journal. Start the morning with gratitude as the sun rises. Share the moment with friends, stories by the fire, a quiet hymn under the stars, the rhythm of waves and crickets. Read a favorite verse or share what you are thankful for. Near villages on Sunday, you may hear church bells. Show respect, and if invited, share a short, simple prayer, humble and grateful. Faith-friendly camping is personal. Find God in quiet moments, mountaintop awe, sun's warmth, and everyday kindness. Let's be honest, things go wrong. Forget the can opener, snap a pole, soak the firewood. Choose to laugh. Those mishaps become the best stories. For your own videos, use bright, fun island footage, drone passes, food close-ups, and some chill island music. I hear a southern accent fella does a decent voiceover. If this helped, please like, subscribe, share with an outdoorsy friend, and drop a comment with your favorite camping spot or question. It means a lot. As we wrap up, the most important principle is leave no trace. Everything you pack in, you must pack out, even banana peels and apple cores. Do not cut live trees or branches. Use only dead and fallen wood, or better yet, your portable stove. Do not take souvenirs from nature. Leave shells, corals, and pretty rocks for the next person to enjoy. Our goal is to leave the wilderness as beautiful as we found it. Be a good steward of your gear. Clean it after each trip. Make sure tent and sleeping bag are fully dry before storage, or mildew will ruin them. A little care saves money and keeps gear ready for your next adventure. Camping here can be very affordable. Your main costs: transportation, food, and permits. Ride buses or jeepneys, shop local markets, skip tourist shops, and share boat costs with friends. Start with an easy trip near home, plan well, and embrace the unexpected. Pack light, pack smart, be kind to nature, be respectful to local people, be patient with yourself and your companions. Laugh at the small troubles and learn from every experience. Let the beauty of these islands fill your heart with joy and peace. Every trip is a chance to grow, to learn, and to make memories that last a lifetime. Thank you for joining me today. And as always, friends, know that you are valuable and you matter. God bless and peace.